Hello world, and welcome back to Late Night with Gleb from Handy Backup. I'm excited to have you join us for the 6th episode. Our blog is dedicated to helping you understand and manage data backup in a simple and accessible way. Today, we are diving into an incredibly important subject, Windows backup. We'll explore the built-in tools available in Windows and share strategies for making your backup approach more convenient and reliable. And hopefully, our journey won't be distracted by the blue screen of death like it was with the CrowdStrike update. Apparently, Windows thought it was a good time to remind us why we should have switched to Mac years ago. But today, there's no better day to dive into this essential topic. By the way, did you hear that YouTube now attracts more viewers on TVs than Netflix, Disney Plus and Amazon Prime combined? YouTube's taking over TV screens. Well, we're just hoping to take over our neighbor's Wi-Fi for a few extra views. However, let's get started and explore this amazing world of Windows backup. Let's dive into the basics of Windows backup. Essentially, it's a system designed to protect your data by creating copies of important files and settings. The main goal is to provide a way to restore your system if something goes wrong, like a failure or data loss. For instance, if your computer crashes or virus corrupts your files, a recent backup can help you recover your data and get back on track. Even small mistakes, like accidentally deleting important files, can be mitigated with a good backup strategy. By understanding the importance of backups, you ensure that your data remains safe and recoverable. This way, your life doesn't turn into a horror movie, like that new Alien Romulus movie that was just released. You've definitely heard of it, it's the one which features more xenomorphs than you'd find at a Kanye West party. By the way, our editorial team has managed to get a snapshot from Kanye West party, have a look. Such a wonderful xenomorph. With that being said, let's move on to the next section, where we'll explain how the built-in Windows backup tools function. Windows provides several features to help you safeguard your data, including file history and backup and restore. First up is file history. This tool regularly backs up your personal files such as documents, photos, and videos to an external drive or network location. It enables you to restore previous versions of files if they become lost or corrupted. File history is designed to run automatically in the background, creating incremental backups to save space and time, which makes it convenient for everyday use. Next, there's Backup and Restore, a more traditional backup tool that allows you to create backups of files and folders and schedule regular backups to ensure your data is consistently protected. It also offers the option to create a system repair disk, which can be handy for restoring your system in case of failure. However, there are some notable limitations. Windows backup is like a suspended X account in Brazil. It exists, but it's not really functional anymore. Just like climate change summits, lots of talk, very little action. Microsoft no longer recommends using the backup and restore feature, which is still available in Windows 11 mainly for legacy support. This tool, last updated with Windows 7, lacks essential features such as incremental or differential backups and advanced scheduling options. File history, while excellent for personal files, has its own set of limitations. It only backs up files stored in libraries, desktop, favorites, and contacts by default, neglecting other important directories unless manually added. Additionally, file history doesn't support system files or applications, making it inadequate for full system recovery, unlike third-party backup solutions, which often offer more comprehensive features such as advanced scheduling options, encryption, and more robust recovery options. File history lacks the flexibility and depth needed for a complete backup strategy. Third-party tools typically provide more granular control over backup settings and can back up a wide range of data, ensuring more comprehensive protection. With Handy Backup, you have two powerful ways to secure your data, using the Disk Image plugin and the Computer plugin. Firstly, let's explore the Disk Image plugin. This tool is designed to create a complete and consistent image of your entire disk. Essentially, it captures every detail of your system, operating system, applications, settings, and all data in one comprehensive backup. This approach is incredibly valuable if you need to perform a full system restore or migrate to new hardware. Handy Backup simplifies the process of creating this disk image, ensuring you have a reliable snapshot of your entire system. Handy Backup provides the flexibility to create both a complete disk image and a usable VHD file, supports regular and automated backups with customizable schedules, allows for backups of active systems without downtime using volume shadow copy, and offers advanced security features like encryption and secure storage options. When it comes to restoring from a disk image, the process is straightforward. To initiate a restoration, you'll need to boot from a Handy Backup Disaster Recovery USB drive. Start by downloading the Handy Backup Disaster Recovery for WinPE file, and you can find the link in the description. Next, use a tool like Rufus, UNetBooting or WinUSB to create a bootable USB drive. After preparing the USB drive, adjust your BIOS settings to prioritize booting from the USB. Once your computer boots from the Handy Backup Disaster Recovery disk, a utility window similar to the main Handy Backup interface will appear. From here, you can restore your entire system from the disk image backup, ensuring a complete recovery of your system and data. On the other hand, if you're looking for a more flexible approach, the computer plugin might be ideal. This tool allows you to backup specific files and folders rather than creating a full disk image. It's particularly useful for routine backups of important documents and personal data. To backup specific files, simply use the computer plugin in Handy Backup to select and protect the files or folders that you need. Restoring individual files is also a straightforward process. If you need to recover a specific file or folder, navigate to the Handy Backup interface. Choose the file or folder you wish to restore from your backup and restore it to its original location. Handy Backup supports restoring individual files with their native extensions, ensuring you retrieve exactly what you need. Alternatively, if necessary, you can also restore all files from a backup based on your requirements. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe. Make sure to tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support is everything to us and helps our community keep growing. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below with your feedback on the video or any questions you might have. We are always here to chat and help out. For more news and updates, follow us on our official Facebook page. And don't forget to check out our website for detailed step-by-step instruction and useful information on the world of backup. Thanks for being part of our journey. Your support drives us forward. Stay tuned for more great content, and we'll catch you in the next video.